So if you're watching this video, you probably want to move to Lagos. Now you're wondering, I have this set budget. Where do I move to? Where can I survive? Where do I start? How do I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here to give you the two options of where you can move to in Lagos. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi my doll, I'm Adiah, that black girl, and if this is not your first time, then thank you boo so much for sticking around, sticking with me and coming back. Now Lagos is one of the fastest growing cities in Africa. It is a city that never sleeps, is always alive, always noisy, but for some reason people keep moving to Lagos. Lagos is the LA of Nigeria. It's where people come with dreams and ambitions and hope to fulfill it. And I'm most likely always given the chance to, whether it's through legal means or illegal means. So if you're watching this video, you probably want to move to Lagos. Now you're wondering, I have this set budget. Where do I move to? Where can I survive? Where do I start? How do I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here to give you the two options of where you can move to in Lagos and how the price points are and the pros and cons, and you make your decision. Okay? If you're coming to Lagos, you're already a big person. Don't play anyhow. But there's levels to these things. So I'm just going to giving you all the tools you would need to make an informed decision on where to relocate to, where to get an apartment, where to try to start your career if you're moving to Lagos. If that's for you, then keep watching. Mainland. Now with the mainland, it's where the people, the toughest people in Africa are made, and that's on period. You go to Mushin, anywhere that survives Mushin can survive anywhere in the world. Now the mainland is oftentimes referred to as the less sophisticated part of Lagos. Honestly, that's to whom it may concern. However, that comes with perks, right? Because this is the less sophisticated part of Lagos, housing is cheaper, cost of living is relatively cheaper, transportation is cheaper. There's generally more provision for the common man in terms of public transport than anywhere else in Lagos. Mainland definitely just represents the hustle and bustle. If you're here to grind, if you're here to start from scratch and build something up, I honestly think that starting off on the mainland is the best for you, because you get to save money while working for what you want. Two, it's not that bad, chill. With the mainland, there are also very cool places that you can hang out, have a good time, and you will not even know you're in Lagos. And that's on T. People generally have the preconceived notion that if you can survive the mainland in Lagos, you can survive anywhere in Nigeria. If you stay in the mainland, let me know what you think. Honestly, for me, yes, you can. Now, the Lagos Island, however, is what people consider the whole Manhattan, New York type of city. Now, Lagos Island is where the big boys, ballers, celebrities all stay at. First of all, I want to let you know that
some celebrities they stay on the moon, okay?
But that side of Lagos is perceived as the geolocation for rich people in Lagos. With that being said, everything there is almost triple the price of what it is on the mainland. Why? Because the people who stay there are believed to have money to spend. So there's not a lot of provision for public transportation and movement. Hell, there's some estates that you can't even get into with a public car. So what happens if you're a Legacy's Benz type of girl? You gotta leg it out to where you're going. Housing on the island is another different story. With housing on the mainland, you can get a reasonable place from 600, 800. On the island, oh baby, oh, but you best have that money to spend. Because like I said, the preconceived notion is that everyone living on the island has the money to spend, so they be putting prices on them tags like it ain't nobody's business, okay? So we can be looking at accommodation from the prices of 1.5 above, and then even on the island, if you stay in places like Lekki, Banana Island, Ikoyi, that is a different ball game entirely. Now, I've painted a picture for you, two different scenarios. There is the average man trying to get by in Lagos, and then there's the we have arrived gang. So that is what you're dealing with. So with this being said, if you're moving to Lagos, you need to look at, oh my gosh, am I already a made person? Am I just coming here to chill? If you are just coming here to chill, where you know where I'm going with this. But if you're moving here to start a life, to start a career, to start a journey, and you don't have that much money to spend, because let me tell you something. As soon as you step out of your house in Lagos, you are billed. The billing process starts from when you lock your door. So you gotta know. And it doesn't get any easier, unfortunately. It doesn't get any cheaper. The prices just keep going high and high and high and high and high. So you have to decide, with what you're coming to Lagos to do, you have to decide, is this place serving me in terms of how much I'm going to spend, how much I'll be able to save, how much I'll spend on accommodation, or is this place serving me based of how much I'll be able to save, how much I'll be able to spend, and how much I'll be able to get accommodation. With these two places in Lagos, they are as parallel as they are equal. It is literally giving day and night. So you have to decide if you're a day or if you're a night, which works for you and which one will best fit with your goal. This is a typical living situation and the scenario of the Lagos Island and Lagos mainland. So you just have to decide which one works for you. Of course, there's definitely provision to move between these two places if you've never been, but you just have to know where you would like to base and plant yourself and be rooted in. Alright guys, that is all for me today. I hope with this information you have been able to make an informed decision on whether or not you know where to stay if you're moving to Lagos for the first time. This video will definitely help you plan a lot and just kind of give you like a general knowledge and sense of what's going on already and things established. If you like this video, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section if you're moving to Lagos, or if you have any other questions you'd like me to answer for you. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.